This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Anna Maria, Arnie, Alexander. Built in 1923 by original Coral Gables architect Martin Luther Hampton Jr., this elegant two-story Spanish Colonial has been lovingly restored to its original charm. First floor features spacious formal living and dining rooms with original oak floors, 2-bedroom, 2 full bths, and large new, Bosch-equipped eat-in kitchen that opens onto Cuban-tiled veranda and deep backyard with large pool. Second floor main room includes large walk-in closet, formerly a fourth bed, could double as nursery or office, spa bath with Japanese-style enclosure with separate shower and soaking tub as well as private roof terrace. New impact doors and windows throughout, newly landscaped front and backyards. Located on beautiful tree canopied Alhambra Cir, walking and biking distance to downtown Coral Gables. For more information.